AI agents are taking over the future of work in 2025. 2025 is here and something massive is happening. AI agents are not just tools anymore. They are replacing entire workflows, jobs, and even decision making roles. What does this mean for your future? Stay tuned. AI agents are software programs that can act autonomously. Unlike chatbots, these tools can search, decide, and take actions all by themselves. Tools like AutoGPT, Devin by Cognizant, and openai's GPT-4 agents are leading the change. From automating customer supports to building websites, AI agents are being adopted by startups and enterprises alike. Some are even replacing entry-level developers, data entry workers, and virtual assistants. Yes, AI will disrupt jobs, but it also creates opportunities. Learning how to use AI agents can put you ahead of 90% of the workforce. Think of it as your new assistant, not your replacement. Don't fear the change. Subscribe for tutorials on how to use these AI agents in real life and future proofs your skills in 2025 and beyond.